What is up, everyone? You wanna do the intro? Sure. What is up, everyone? JFlores here, and for today we're gonna cook some saging, street food style. Yeah, how was it? That was good enough. Okay na. Okay na. So yeah, for today we're gonna cook a lot of saging, I guess. Maraming recipe, especially for street food, and then best for negosyo. And then by the way, this guy who won, he was the other guy sa other video ko up top na nagluto ng rice na palpak. So yeah, that guy. Anyway, without further ado, game. First, let's make some batter for our Pinaypay. In a bowl, mix in the flour, egg, and about half cup of water, and just mix it around until you get a light consistency, lighter than a pancake batter. Now let's slice this up. Just peel the bananas, divide into 4. Just remember, do not slice all the way through. Now let's just set this aside while we prepare our turon with caramelized langka. Again, peel your bananas and cut them into strips. And for the caramelized langka, we just made this at home. Just add some water, sugar, and let it boil covered for about 30 minutes. Next, let's roll these. Layer the bananas and langka on your lumpia wrapper, then roll. Seal using water. Quick tip, if your wrapper is thin like mine, do wrap it twice. Now this is all done, time to fry some bananas. Let's fry up our turon first. Heat up some oil, then simply fry until golden brown. Flip those turons, and once you're done, dredge it in some sugar right after frying. Time to fry those Pinaypays. Dredge your bananas into the batter that we made earlier, then just fry it until golden brown. Again, once done frying, dredge it in sugar. Banana Cue time. Heat up some oil, add some sugar, then drop your bananas in. Make sure to mix it around every time, then remove it from the oil once it is caramelized. This is all done, drain very well, and let's proceed to the last recipe for today, Minatamis na saging. In a pan, add in some equal parts of sugar and water and somewhat make simple syrup. Once it starts to thicken up, drop in your cooked bananas. I just boiled them, skin on, and just slice it. Mix very well so nothing would stick at the bottom of the pan. And when this does reduce, let's add in our evaporated milk. I got this technique from my mom, and it does make a huge difference. We're all done. Time to see our plates. So that is it for today, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try it at home. Ang dali-dali lang nun. You can have it as many types of recipes sa saging as you want, and then it is very good for business, especially these days. Yun nga, pandemic pa rin. So might as well make some at home and sell it. It is really cheap, so diba? Might as well. And if you like this one, never forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash that like as well. Follow my Facebook page. Follow my Instagram. And I would love that very much. So yeah. Soon, Juan will be featured more sa channel na to. That guy is somewhat crazy, pero he'll be back for sure. That's it. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.